Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you a unique variation of the fishbone pattern where instead of using square knots, we use vertical lark's head knots. Let's get started. Start by attaching 5 ropes to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, we're going to tie all of our ropes around the 2 cords directly in the middle. I'm going to start with the cord to the right, next to those middle cords. And with this cord, I'm going to tie a vertical lark's head knot. So I just send it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop, twist it around to go through the loop, and then I pull it tight. Then I send that same rope behind the 2 in the middle to form my loop, twist it around to go through the loop, and then I pull it nice and tight. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing with the cord to the left of the 2 in the middle. Now we're going to go back to the right side and take the next cord here on the right. I'm just going to send it in front of the last cord we tied and then tie it around the 2 cords in the middle using another vertical lark's head knot. Now I do the same thing with the cord on the right. It crosses in front and then ties around the 2 in the middle. Keep repeating the same process, always alternating between right and left, going in front of the other cords to tie around the 2 in the middle. Just like that. Now our fishbone pattern using the vertical lark's head knot is complete. You can keep repeating this pattern by forming a second section below, or you can tie more on your dowel rod and do an alternating pattern as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.